In this test, we're going to manually configure and test a rose mount temperature transmitter configured with a thermocouple input with a range of 0 to 300 degrees C. We're going to measure the milliamp signal of the transmitter on the input of the 754, and we're going to power it with a 24-volt loop power supply internal. We're going to source or simulate a temperature signal to the input of the transmitter while simultaneously measuring the milliamp output and calculating error percent of span. To start the test, we want to measure milliamps and turn on loop power. Set up, enter, enabled. Next, we want to configure the source. Measure source to get to the source screen. Thermocouple. Type K. And to the split screen to do the calibration test. Select as found for an instrument. Configure what we're going to measure, 4 to 20 milliamps. .5%. Set the settling delay. And source 0 to 300 degrees C in a 3-point test. Select Auto Test. The calibrator will apply the 0% temperature input, measure for 4 milliamps, and calculate for error percent of span. Then change the temperature source to 50%, measure for 12 milliamps, and record the error. Then change the temperature source to the full scale input value, measure 20 milliamps, and record the measurement error. At the end of the test, we can see the temperature that was applied and the milliamp that was measured and the error percent being calculated for each point. And that's how you document a thermocouple temperature transmitter calibration using the Fluke 754 documenting process calibrator.